Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduced. My name is Irlan Fernando and my friend Aldo Renando Ananda. Okay. Alright. I will explain about what is in the care of immanent plants. There is some work in the care immature plants. Next. Okay. What and discuss. Number one, what activities are done in the maintenance of end products plants. Number two, how many maintenance tasks in the plant have not been produced. Number three, how to maintenance unproduced plants. Next, working one is consolidation or crop census. Working 2, plant insertion and embroidery. Okay, working 1, consolidation or crop census. The first census was conducted when it was still TPTP1, which was 20. 12 months old. The second census was conducted when the factory was 20 months old. The 30th census was conducted when the factory was 23 months old. And the fourth census was conducted when the factory was 26 months old, and this became last census at the time of TBM. Working 2, plant insertion and embroidery. Plant insertion is done the flat plants that have beads. These threads are most likely plants will not produce optimally, but census and insertion activities aim to insert the plants in the failed or productive plants, and insertion is easily done because plants damaged by fats and disease such as hormone beetle fats, LDBs, communities, eggs, and other herbs. Working 3, plant growth and measurement, lab analysis, and plant flowering monitoring. Working 4, plant maintenance, stable root, and gawang. Working 3, plant growth measurements, lab analysis, and plant flowering monitoring. TBL palm oil growth measurement activities are aimed of course to obtain the dates and growth rates and plant condition. The trick is to measure the legs of the simulator at first X. The measurements dates will be compared to the standard that have been bit straight. Working for plant maintenance, stable root, and go. Maintenance of plants wickets free of which can be done manually or chemically. Manual maintenance of plant and wicks is human for basing how maintenance of this and wickets can be done chemically using or herbicides. Working 5, making the figures. Working 6, installation of TTP and TP. Marking the figures. TPM1, one vehicle fetches for 8 rows of plant 400 meter and haka. TBM2, one vehicle fetches for 4 rows of planes 400 meter. TBM3, one vehicle fetches for 2 rows of planes 400 m. Okay, the next will be explained by icon deprecation communication theoretical is my friend Aldo Fernando Nanda.
Okay, here I will continue the presentation for Irlan. Installation of TT panel and TPH. TPH is the collection point for palm oil crops. TPH must be bed or prepared from 3 6 months before harvest. The trick is to have a flat place in the tent, clean the soil, grass, cover using a hoe. The size of TPH is 2 meter 2 meter. The distance between on TPH and the other TPH is about 15 15 meter every six destination. 7. Fertilization and egg sanitation and castration. Fertilization. Recommendation of fertilizing palm oil crop and based on the principle of 40, namely direct type, direct dose, on time, and direct method. Sanitation and castration. Sanitation or censored. Censored sanitation work is done by remove this dismantler of one of the lower circle near the ground and also the dry smell. It was done 6 months before the end. Castration. Ablation and activity of elimination of generative products, EA, males, female, and Alfred, which have been complete to support of vegetative growth of palm oil. 9. Pest control and use of palm oil plants. And 10. Irrigation management or irrigation. Pest control and disease of palm oil plants. Palm oil crop pests or borer beetle and Orchress sp. Disease fruit growth BPB. Irrigation manager or irrigation. 1. The water use does not come from river pollution with sewage. 2. The water use does not come from swamp because swamp water the low acidity and can't hit organic exit, so I can poison plant. 3. The water used should be healthy, not currently acid, salt, toxic substances. 4. The quality and health of water of watering should be tested by a laboratory, especially those from river. Conclusion. From the result of the above discussion, it can be concluded that the maintenance of the palm oil plants cannot produce several phases before becoming a production crop or and be harvested. The mentioned activities of oil palm plant that have not been produced must be active because they will determine the success of palm oil crops before they can be harvested. That's the only reason we can discuss. Thank you.